season's here, baby. Let's make a chicken bruschetta on the Barbie.
Okay, let's get to work. I love chicken bruschetta on the barbecue. They're fantastic. They're so easy to make and so healthy. So in today's combination, what I'm doing is using mushrooms, onions, green peppers, red peppers, some nice spiced up and flavorful chicken, along with pineapple. Great flavor combination here. Also, do me a favor while we have a second in putting together this great easy recipe, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share the video to your friends. Once the vegetables are all prepped, I hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper and even a little sprinkle of oregano here. Now it's time for the flavor on the chicken, a little bit of olive oil, some pepper, some salt, some oregano, a little bit of garlic and onion powder as well, and of course, this great sauce.
Worcestershire, the dark sauce.
Give those a nice mix and then we'll move outside to the barbecue. I like to grill up the chicken breasts first and then go ahead and dice them up afterwards. I find they hold the juices and the flavor a lot better that way. So we'll go ahead and dice those up in nice sized cubes.
Say it with me. Mushroom, onion, pepper, chicken. Bonus pineapple. Onion, pepper, chicken.
I really used to make hundreds of these every week working in the restaurants. Mushrooms, onion, pepper, chicken. Then it was onion, pepper, chicken, pineapple. Say it with me. Mushroom, onion, pepper, chicken. Look at those hitting the grill. These look fantastic. Give those a nice turn. They're grilled up nicely. And then I'll just hit them with a little bit of sauce, add a little bit more flavor. So now I've got a little bit of sweet and spicy. I like that pineapple offsetting the flavor of that barbecue. Decide on your side dish or the presentation. Today I'm just using some nice plain old-fashioned steamed rice. Ah, look at those chicken bruschettes. This is a great start to the barbecue season. Let's give those a test.